Tired of your eyes giving away your age? Keep watching to find out what you can do about it. I'm Dr. Layke, a board-certified plastic surgeon at the Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery Group. I'm here with Peg. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Of course.
What are some of the concerns you have when it comes to the area around your eyes?
A lot. I've got fine lines. I've got kind of a deep, diggy, dark thing going on.
When did you first start noticing changes around your eyes?
Maybe my early 50s. Yeah, I think I was pretty lucky that I was blind to it till then.
Was there a specific moment when it really hit you?
I think it just kind of sneaks up on you.
You're not alone. I have a lot of patients with similar concerns. So before we talk about some solutions, I think it's important to get to the root of the cause as to why our eyes change over time. Reduction of collagen and skin elasticity. One of the biggest causes for aging around the eyes has to do with collagen. When we enter our 30s, our collagen production begins to slow down. This matters because collagen is responsible for creating structure. When collagen production slows down, our skin begins to thin, and what was once firm becomes loose as a result of gravity. This pulling can cause wrinkles to form around the outer eye area, depletion of fat and bone structure. Over time, our fat and bone structure begins to change and reduce in size. With added years, the fat pads under your eyes begin to shrink and shift. You also begin to lose bone density. And without this support, the lower rim of your eye muscle shifts downward. This downward motion creates an unwanted hollowing effect, making the eyes appear sunken. And sunken eyes give the appearance of unwanted shadows, more commonly known as dark circles. So even if you get a good night's sleep, if the bone structure around the eyes is shifted, you may still physically look tired. Repetitive muscle movement. Our expressions tell a story long before our words do. Actions like smiling, squinting, and even blinking over time can change the way our eyes age. We're able to make these expressions thanks to a circular muscle known as the orbicularis oculi. Unfortunately, throughout the years, the repeated movement starts to make permanent creases commonly referred to as crow's feet. And while those lines are a badge of honor reflecting years filled with joy and laughter, they're also an indicator that the eye area has lost some of its youthful structure. Prolonged sun exposure. What are some activities you normally do outdoors?
Hiking, walking, just hanging out with the kids at the beach every once in a while.
Perhaps one of the biggest instigators of premature aging around the eyes is prolonged sun exposure. When ultraviolet light, also known as UV rays, comes into contact with your skin, it activates oxidative stress within the body. This stress triggers the breakdown of collagen and elastin. So by all means, feel free to enjoy the sunshine. Just be sure to wear a mineral-based sunscreen as it causes less irritation around the eyes. Fluid buildup and circulation shifts. With the passage of time, our circulation begins to slow down. Fluid also has the potential to collect under your eyes, and your lymphatic drainage system might not function as smoothly as it used to in previous years. And when your fluid isn't flushed out efficiently, it begins to pool around your eyes, causing them to look puffy. Lifestyle is another area that can potentially have an effect on the rate you age. Smoke cigarettes? That's a recipe for rapidly breaking down your collagen. Skipping out on a full night of sleep? Anything less than 7 may cause your aging process to speed up. Feeling stressed at work or at home? Unmanaged worries can cause cortisol to spike and potentially lead to premature aging. What you eat is also something to take into consideration. A diet consisting of antioxidant-rich berries, leafy greens, omega-3 packed fatty fish, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil can help fight oxidative stress and nourish your skin. Conversely, a diet full of processed foods can accelerate aging around the eyes due to the high amount of sugar, salt, and refined carbohydrates. Too much sodium can cause dehydration and increase inflammation, causing the blood vessels in the under eye area to become more visible. Eating healthy is a good step in the right direction if you want to decrease signs of aging at the root. Genetics. At the end of the day, the look of your eyes can also come down to genetics. If hollowed eyes, dark circles, and early fine lines are features your parents possess, there's a good chance your genes will follow suit. How do we turn back the clock? One approach may be through topical products you can apply directly to your skin. Are there any types of products you've tried so far?
Most of them. Lots of creams.
Has anything helped?
For a while.
When it comes to topical, I like Beverly Hills MD's ProRetinol Advanced Eye Complex. The cool applicator tip helps reduce the look of puffiness and leaves eyes feeling instantly revived. Would you like to try something like that?
Of course.
To use, Every night, simply apply a pea-sized amount to your under eye area and gently glide the metal applicator from inner to outer corners, including lids and between brows. How's that feeling so far?
Wonderful.
This one's for you.
Aw, thanks.
While we're on the topic, I'd also recommend Beverly Hills MD's Dermal Repair Complex. Feel free to try this one out as well.
You bet. Look forward to it.
And for those of you watching, you can find the links to both ProRetinol Advanced Eye Complex and Dermal Repair Complex in the description below. Non-invasive treatments are another avenue to considering when it comes to helping reduce the effects of aging on your eyes. Neuromodulators like Botox can help lessen the appearance of crow's feet by temporarily relaxing the orbicularis oculi muscle, reducing the repetitive creasing that forms lines on the outside corners of the eyes. The treatment includes a series of tiny, specific injections placed around the eye area of concern. This is a highly requested treatment as patients can return to their daily lives quickly and enjoy results that can last up to 3 to 4 months. In addition to non-invasive treatments, there are more invasive treatments you can pursue if you're okay with longer recovery times. These types of treatments tend to have longer lasting effects. Blepharoplasty, also known as eyelid surgery, gets rid of or adjusts excess skin and fat located on the upper and lower eyelids. This creates a revived, well-rested appearance with typically long-lasting results. You can also opt for a brow lift. This surgical procedure lifts tissue around the upper eyelids to open up this region and smooth out the area, making the eye area appear more refreshed. Both of these procedures require anesthesia and longer recovery time, but can produce more noticeable results than non-surgical treatments. So if you're seeing a difference in the way your eyes look and you're curious about what you can do about those changes, the good news is that you have a lot of options. You can start with what you can control by making small shifts within your lifestyle. You can then begin adding topical treatments to your skincare routine. And if you want to expand on that, you can explore both non-invasive and surgical procedures depending on your wants. In the end, it comes down to what suits you best. But if you like this episode, please subscribe to Beverly Hills MD and drop your current skincare concerns in the comments. Remember, skincare isn't a trend, it's science. I'm Dr. Layke, and thank you for watching.